If you're serious about trading, you need to be treating it like a business. And if you're not, you're set up to fail right from the beginning. Treating trading as a business is something that Mark Douglas has preached throughout his books and even in his seminars. Mark Douglas was a very well-established trading coach that began coaching traders in the 1980s, whether that was floor traders to your average everyday folks that were just looking for a way to produce extra income and consistently make money from the markets. In today's video, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into treating trading as a business and what that actually means and how you should actually think about that when it comes to your own trading. Before we dive in, if you want to dive deeper into Mark Douglas's work, we're going to leave some links and resources to some of his books down in the video description box below. Mark has preached trading should be treated as a business, and he uses one example throughout his teachings, and that is of a casino. When you are walking around a casino, let's say you own a casino, and you're walking around that casino, do you think the owner is worried? The owner knows the odds are stacked in their favor. They don't care. Do they see somebody who makes a lot of money, hits the jackpot, hits the slots, and it's just printing money? Someone walks away from the blackjack table, going crazy, tons of chips falling out of their pockets, they can't hold it. It doesn't faze them because they know over the course of the day, the week, the month, the more people that come in, the more money they're going to make. The odds are stacked in their favor. They don't know who's going to make money, who's going to win, what day it's going to happen, who's going to make so much, what day the casino might actually be in the red and lose money. But the odds are in their favor. And if we take that over to trading, what does that mean? Well, simplified down, when we take a trade, as the operator of a trading system, as an operator of a trading edge, we don't know what trade's going to work. It's very possible that we could have a couple trades in a row that are wrong. And it's very possible, and you'll see throughout your career, that you'll have red days. You'll have red weeks, and you might even have red months. That's certainly possible. But when the odds are stacked in your favor over a series of trades, over the course of a month, a year, over the lifespan of a trading strategy, it doesn't matter. And when we lose money, that's an expense. If you are operating a business and you're paying for a warehouse, for products, for the team as you're building out your team, you know that you're going to have to go through these pains or these growing pains or these expenses as time goes on. And when you're scaling up your strategy, there might be growing pains as you start to scale up and say, hey, I have been consistent for 3 months, 4 months, a year with this position size. I think I'm ready to up my size and make more money. Well, that's great. Your system, your strategy don't need to change, but just as growing your team, hiring more people to work for you, hiring more people for the business to ultimately make more money in the long run, right? You might have some growing pains. You might have some expenses. You might have a couple things that you have to learn in the process to get you to that next level. But when you treat trading like a business and a loss like an expense, it doesn't matter because you know you're operating the business and the business has a purpose, the business has a goal, and the bottom line at the end of the week, the month, the quarter, the year is all that matters. If you want to dive deeper into Mark's work, learn much more about trading psychology, again, we'll leave some links to his books in the video description box. And if you like these videos, we can certainly make more. We take these concepts, simplify them down, and explain them in an easy to understand way. We'll be happy to make more videos just like this. Consider subscribing, hitting that thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.